Hi guys, so today I have very special boxes with me to unbox, and I'm gonna show a review to you and a quick unboxing. I decided to do it this time here in outdoors because it's such a lovely weather here in Dubai. It's been raining in the morning, and now it's very windy, and this place just looks amazing. This is where I live right now, and it's very green, and it's very peaceful, very quiet, a lot of playground here. So I decided to show you guys around and also do the quick unboxing. I thought this is going to be different. So these are the two boxes that I have today. So this is an iPhone 13 Pro, gold 256 GB, and this is an iPhone 13 Starlight color, the white one, 128. So I'm going to do an unboxing for this one first, and then a quick review for this one. Let's get started. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro 256 GB gold. I got this here from Dubai. I didn't bought it from the Apple store. This is from the old Dubai. There's a very famous, very popular shop in Bur Dubai, City Choice, and I can give you the link or the location of the shop in the comment section in the link below. You guys can check it out. They give very amazing discount. They have super prices for all the Apple products and other Samsung and other products. So, wow, yeah, I was using the 12 Pro Max, and this one is it just looks identical, to be honest. And this is the phone. These are the accessories, normal, the cable, some paperwork, nothing fancy here. There's that in the box, and now the phone itself. So this looks premium as always, and the notch looks noticeably small. The microphone has been shifted to the top, and the cameras are huge, chunky but you won't notice it if you had been using a 12 Pro Max or a 12 Pro. You wouldn't notice as long as you put them together side by side. So it's not that big of a deal, and let's just get this started. So this was my quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro and a quick walkthrough and review. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. ये आज हम गिव अवे करेंगे यहाँ पे चलते हुए लोगों को